Good evening, everyone, and welcome back to the channel as we're winding down the halfway point of another week of January 22nd, 2025. CN Hayes here. Good evening to you. 2141 coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin, along the Canadian National Superior Submain at milepost 353.17 with a video lined up for you. Southbound on the way with a Gevo to lead it. Let's check them out on the roll-bys. We'll lean back and get them. Here we go. C6M rebuild of the 3331 Manifest. M344. M344, 41 of the 21st. Started at Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. It's going to be heading down to 1 yard at Stevens Point. The last of it. GATX 2925, end of train device is going. And it is going to do it for the M344 41 of the 21st. And we'll do it for the Ex-Citirail of the 2780. The retro logos. C6M rebuild of the 3331. And the DPU of the 8883. How about that? And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great night. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.